This is the Zipper Jig by Gypsy Quilter. Set it on a stable surface. Take by the roll zipper and zipper pull backside facing you. With this part pointed up. Slide it on the appropriate size. Take your zipper tape facing away from you. So this is the back of the zipper tape. Pull it apart just a couple inches. The trick is you want to come in at a 45-degree angle. And so you want the teeth to go inside at the same time. And you just pull down and that's it. I'm going to put another one on the other side. So it'll be dual pull. So I'm going to pull this apart and then you just come in at an angle. And you can see that this is a little bit off on the one side. So what I can do at this point is I can undo the zipper. I can zip this all the way down. And you can see it's a little bit off. I'll take a pair of scissors and I will trim this to even it up. So if you have them going in at the same time, see that's a little bit off and that's fine. You can just pull it out. So that's how you do it. It's so simple, and this tool makes it so easy because it's like you have a third hand holding the zipper pull.